Pinay karate athlete, kinatawan ng Canada sa Pan American Karate Championships. Pinay karate athlete, pambato ng Canada sa Pan American Karate Championship, kilalanin sa pagbabalik ng Omni News Filipino. Isang silver medal ang nasungkit ng Pilipinang karate athlete sa Ontario sa National Karate Championships kamakailan. Isang karanasan na mas naging espesyal sa kanya matapos dumaan sa isang taong mental health break. Kilalanin natin siya sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
I came into this nationals with an open mind, just happy. I was like, okay, I know I put in the hard work, I put in all the effort to get here, I deserve to be here, and regardless of whether I podium or not, regardless of the results, I'm happy with myself, I'm proud of myself, and I just want to do my best.
Ito raw ang naramdaman ni Lizelle Munar bago siya sumali sa 2026 National Karate Championships ng Karate Canada. Si Munar ang 20 taong gulang na karate athlete na nakapag-uwi ng silver medal sa Under-21 Female Kata Division.
This nationals was my favorite nationals just because it took me a lot of hardships and struggles to get to where I was, so I'm very happy I got to compete. And just for a little bit of backstory, my first ever nationals was in Halifax when I was 12 years old, so 8 years ago. So returning, now being 20 and getting to medal in my division it just made me really happy.
Mas espesyal ang nakuha niyang medal sa championship na ito dahil ito ang kanyang pagbabalik sa sport matapos ang isang taong mental health break.
I would say that I wanted to take a break from the competitive sphere, mainly because of burnout. Unfortunately, competing ultimately felt like a chore. It was something that I felt like I had to do because not only me, but my parents, my support system, we had all spent so much time, energy, effort, money into the sport, especially into competing. And I guess all the pressure kind of came up to me and I said, okay, I need to step back, I need to take a break.
Sa kanyang break, nilayan daw niyang maibalik ang kanyang hilig at interes sa sport, kaya binalikan niya ang iba't ibang karate skills na hindi niya palaging natututukan noon.
Medals and winning and being on the podium is amazing, but it's not everything. And that's what I tried to realize, and I said, you know what, let me fall in love with the sport for what it is and not just the opportunities and experiences that it gives me. So I went back to the dojo, I got to practice kumite, I got to work on my kihon and kind of hone in on my other skills that I wasn't able to focus on, you know, just always competing and working on kata. So yeah, and then I fell in love with it again.
Isa raw mahalagang aral na natutunan niya sa kanyang break ay tumuon lamang sa mga bagay na makokontrol niya. Payo niya sa mga kabataan, pakinggan ang inyong mga saloobin.
It felt so daunting and it felt like such a big struggle because I did love this sport so much and I do love this sport so much. So having the support system, having the support of my parents, my family all around the world, especially in the Philippines, you know, having these people in my corner, knowing that they support me in my decisions, knowing that they let my feelings be valid and let me take up the space that I need to, made the recovery process much easier.
Ikinatuwa ni Munar ang muling pagsali sa sport, lalo't ito na rin ang kanyang huling taon bilang junior athlete.
I will say that considering it is my last junior year, it is definitely bittersweet. I've been competing for 10 years now and so much blood, sweat, and tears has gone into competition and the sport in general. So it is a little bit bittersweet, but I'm excited to see where else karate is going to take me, and I'm excited to see the rest of my journey in the sport.
Bibiyahe si Munar sa Brazil sa Mayo bilang kinatawan ng Canada sa 2026 Pan American Karate Championships. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Mississauga.
Ito po ang Omni News Filipino. Maraming salamat mga kababayan at magandang araw, Canada!